English tip by tip.
Tip 75. Present perfect. Actions that began in the past but are relevant in the present, or that ended in the recent past without specifying the exact moment. Function. Connect the past with the present. Construction. Subject plus present tense of verb to have plus past participle of main verb. Examples. You have talked to Mary. She has visited Paris last week. Negative construction. Subject plus present tense of verb to have plus not plus past participle of main verb. Examples. You haven't talked to Mary. She hasn't visited Paris last week. Interrogative construction. Present tense of verb to have plus subject plus past participle of main verb. Examples. Have you talked to Mary? Has she visited Paris last week? Tip 75. Exercise. Change to interrogative form. I have lived in Barcelona since 2013. Have I lived in Barcelona since 2013? They have gone to swim twice a week. Have they gone to swim twice a week? She has visited that museum several times. Has she visited that museum several times? He has finished his homework. Has he finished his homework? We have watched the movie. Have we watched the movie? Answer according to yourself. Have you ever visited Barcelona? Have you ever swum? Have you ever visited Sagrada Familia Church? Have you already finished the exercises? Have you ever been to the theater?
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.